G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's. Today showing you this Wanderlite Nomad camp table.
Hit it.
This compact table has a lightweight but sturdy frame, easy clean slat tops, and it's easy to set up and pack away. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is the Wanderlite Nomad Table in its bag here, just a lightweight carry bag. Measures about 56 centimeters in length, or a little bit of extra space in there if you want to pack anything else in, but about 56 centimeters for what's inside. Around about 15 centimeters by around about 6 centimeters in height here. Depends on how you pack it back in there. There's two components in there. And weight is about, or just over 1.2 kilos for the whole thing. So quite lightweight for a little compact table. Setup's really easy. I'll start by pulling everything out of the bag. And by everything, there's only two components. So we've got the slats here, all integrated and connected together, and then the frame. And these are actually, if we have a look inside the bag here, I'll just invert this. There is a bit of a sort of a separator in here, so you can store the two sections separately so they're not scratching against each other. So lightweight bag, but quite functional. Now setup is really easy. First thing we're going to do is grab the frame here. You just want to let this frame fall out into place. It'll want to go further than it needs to go, which is why we need to lock these in place. Now up underneath here, there is a little hole in this bar here. This hole needs to line up with a little nodule inside this hub here. So I just pull this up, push this right to the back of that, and then push it down till I can feel that little nodule lock in place in the hole in the frame. And I do the same over this side here. So I push this down, I can feel that isn't locked in. If I push it all the way in, there we go, you can see the difference between that sitting out and it's now locked in. That's the frame set up. From here, we grab our slats for the top. Now these are all just concertina together, so just pull this to flatten it out and then lay it on top of these bars here like this. We can lock this onto the frame. If we fold this end one up, we can see we've got this channel here. This channel sits inside this section of these hubs here on each side. So if I push this down and line that up, we can feel it lock into place. Now this will slide back and forward, so we just kind of need to center this on top of the frame. We do the same over the other side here. We've got this channel here that's going to sit inside these hubs here. So fold it down and over, stretch it out a little bit and lock it into place. That should see these slats sit pretty flat. You can see you can slide this back and forward, but it does have a bit of friction, so it's not going to move too much. So just sort of center it so the frame is sitting roughly in the middle of the tabletop, and that's the Wanderlite Nomad Table all set up. The Nomad Table comes with a 15 kilo weight rating, so you can put 15 kilos of weight on top of here, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's probably more than you need for a small table like this. With regards to materials it's made of, it's mostly an aluminium alloy. So these are aluminium alloy slats, and they're held together with kind of a flexible plastic or polypropylene type material on the sides here. This certainly doesn't feel fragile. It feels a little bit flexible, so it's going to move with the slats as you fold them. If I flip it over and have a look at the base, once again, plastic or nylon reinforced hubs here. These are all aluminium alloy frames. I'd say that's probably just a steel stud or something in the middle there, down to the base, which is also a plastic or reinforced glass or nylon or something feet on the bottom there. A little bit of a grippiness on the bottom there, so that's not going to slide around too much. We can see the aluminium alloy slats on the top here are hollow style, so it is made to be a compact and lightweight table. Now overall dimensions is about 56 centimeters in length this way, just over 40 centimeters in width this way, and just over 40 centimeters in height. Perfect table if you need, or maybe you've got a really, really compact camp setup. You don't take a big table with you, but you need somewhere just to put your cup, your snacks, your plate once you finish eating out of your lap. Great to sit inside a scenario like this where you might have accompany it with some Wanderlite chairs if you like, and put it in the middle, makes for a nice coffee table. In terms of stability, feels pretty good for such a small table. A lot of camp tables will wiggle around a fair bit because they've got upright legs, but because this frame's got a lot of crossing going on, makes it for a pretty sturdy sort of a table, so I can't wobble that around too much at all. So yeah, pretty sturdy for such a compact table. Now pack up is everything in reverse. Really easy, just pop the top off for starters like this and start to concertina this up. Just concertinas like that, pop the other side off as well. Put that aside, ready to go in the bag. To pack up the frame, just work out which side is going to pop out with this frame here. You'll know because one end's got a fixed section here, the other doesn't. So that just pops out like that. Fold these all the way back so they sit like so. Concertina this in together, put that down with the frame, and then that can go inside the bag here. Now, as I mentioned, there is a divider inside here, so I'm going to put this in on one side, like so. And then on top of this bit of fabric, I'm going to tuck the frame. That way they're not scratching or rubbing against each other when they're being transported. Do the bag up, and that's the Wanderlite Nomad Table all packed up, ready to go. You can move things around inside the bag if you like, so that sits quite flat, or if you wanted a bit more slightly different sort of packed dimensions, you can put it on top of it, one section on top of the other like that. An awesome and quite affordable lightweight table for camping if you like, for hiking. Really good for maybe a day hike where you want to go somewhere, sit down and have a nice picnic. You've taken yourself a bit of a gourmet picnic to have up on top of a hill and watch the sunset. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.